Hey guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you how you can fix any errors that you have when your Wi-Fi is not connecting. So obviously now, as you can see on my screen, it says network internet access. So now your screen may not have that. So I'm just going to show you how to fix that. So first you want to press settings. Then you want to go by Wi-Fi, which is the network and internet. Then that's going to open. So if it says here you're not connected to the internet, you want to go by properties, and then maybe it says here set as meter connection. Maybe it's on, so maybe you want to turn that off, and then that should help. And then when I go back, you want to click again, just go back again, yeah. And then you also want to go by change adapter settings. Maybe it's set to some other thing, and double click. And then you maybe want to do your properties and disable. Then re-enable it and then disable it again. And if that is still not working, you want to go here. So you want to hover your cursor over the windows and right click. And you want to go by device manager. And wait, make a screen bigger. Then you want to go by network adapters, and this shows everything like the drivers and so forth. So if you go here by settings, my settings, so by the properties, just to see which one is which. So as you can see, this is Intel Ethernet connection. So now it should be here. So there you go, Internet Ethernet connection. If you want to click properties, and just want to see if everything is running correctly. Details, everything. And if you want to update the driver, you can say update driver. You can say there. You see best drivers we installed, so that's how you can solve it. So if it worked, if this video was useful to you, subscribe. Thank you.